Today I would like to introduce a new prop which called press the button. From the name you will know players need to press the button to release the magnetic lock, and here is the button. You can see it is locked inside the box, and it is now easy to open the box since it is locked by the code lock. So players need to find a 4-digit password to open the lock, then the magnetic lock will open. You can see the lock consists of a 4-digit password. Okay, next I will demonstrate how to play. First, you need to power on the prop.
System startup.
Okay, the magnetic lock closed now, and the default code we set in advance is 0, 0, 0, and 0. Now you can see the password is not correct now, and I will adjust the 4-digit to 0, and let's see what will happen. Okay, the code lock open. Then I press the first one button. Okay, but the lock still closed because the second button has not been solved. So I need to enter the second code. It's also 0, 0, 0, and 0, 2. Okay, the lock open. I press it down and let's see what will happen. As you see, when I press the two buttons at the same time, the magnetic lock open with a piece of door opening again. Okay, for reset, please just rotate the button in the direction of the arrow. You can see there is a direction of the arrow, and I rotated it. Then the prop will reset. Okay, after you rotate the button, you need to wait about 30 seconds. Then the whole prop will reset. So much for this. Thanks for watching.